In a previous session, we customized the low value asset class, and the idea now is to show how can we first create just a master record of a low value asset, very similar to other asset classes, but then we will try to post an acquisition with a higher value. Of course, that should be forbidden just because of the check. And after that, we will just correct, have a lower value, and see if the posting is correct. So let's start with the creation of the new asset master record. And of course, now the main difference is that the asset class should be 5,000. This is the ID for our low value asset. So the company code is correct now, so we can just proceed. And the idea is that this one will be for a coffee machine. So just low value. Okay. Just we have to assign this, of course, also to a valid cost center. And with this, we can, the design, we can just save it. And let's just make a note of this asset number for the coffee machine. So we can now just close the app, and let's try for the posting of the acquisition. So we will use this the non-integrated app, and actually here we have it. So this is supposed to be a low value asset, but we're gonna use the number is going to be 1,500 euros, which of course is a super expensive coffee machine, and it breaks the maximum amount, so it should not be possible to create the posting. So let's see. First, let's enter the date. We'll select today's date for also the asset value date, the posting date, the document date. Okay, and let's enter that very expensive coffee machine, and let's try to post. Let's see if the system will allow for this, or will just forbid the transaction. So as you can see, the system checks everything, and this error message just comes up. The low value asset maximum amount has been exceeded, so it's not possible to post. Okay, to retain the document, we just need to press enter, and everything is now available again for input. So we can just let's delete the amount posted, and this time around we will try with 200 euros, which is more logical for this kind of machines, just for the office, and it's under the limit. So let's see if now we can post the acquisition. It should come through. Yes, as you can see now, it's just the system is just giving us the confirmation with the documents that were created for this. So we can now just be sure that the asset class is correctly set up, everything is working correct, and we cannot have a low value asset that exceeds that amount that we set up in the customizing. So with this we finish the lesson, but of course just let's see with the next one what we can check for some more functions of and features of assets.